Hey, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, all my glamours. Hey, all my new glamours. If you're new to the Glamour family, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also hit that bell so you get notified when I'm uploading videos. So, this is the look I came up with. I got this hair from hairdresser.com. Everything that I have on my face as far as hair and everything will be listed in the description box. So, if you like this look, keep on watching. Let's go into the video. Coming to Glamour World. So, I'm going to start by using the e.l.f. Underline Under Eye Concealer and Highlight. It's in Fair. I'm using the white highlight part to prime my eyes. Now I'm using this flat brush just to pat down using stippling motions to get that all over my eyelid. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye. I'm using this e.l.f. Under Eye Concealer and Highlighter because I'm not a fan of it. As you can see, the white go on real pasty, and actually the white is the highlighter. It don't even act like a highlighter when I put it onto my skin. The brush I'm using, I'm not sure where I got it from. I'm just using to stipple that that highlight primer into my skin. So yeah, so that's my BB brush. I'm about to start my eyeshadow. I'm actually going to Maybelline New York Soda Pop. I'm going into color Ginger Ale for my transition color. And as you can tell, I'm going to go ahead and just use the stippling motions to put that ginger ale on. So I'm taking my brush, Eye of the Storm. Not sure what makeup line that brush came from. I'm going back into that Soda Pop. I'm taking that color Crushing. It's an orange. And I'm going to put that inside my crease. And FYI, the Maybelline Soda Pop do smell good. It smells like candy or pop. And as you can see, I'm just, patting it in. I'm using circular motions into my crease. And I'm building that color up. So there go the color Crushing. So now I'm going into that color Cherry on top. I'm going to deepen my crease. I'm using my e.l.f. blending eye brush to go into that color Cherry on top to deepen my crease. I'm taking my Beauty Treat brush, the EO3. I'm going to the color Root Beer. And I'm going to apply that in my outer V and also in my crease. So now I'm going to this hard candy palette, and it's called Earthly Vixen 1444, and I'm going to go into the color Sunrise. I'm going to put that color Sunrise on my lid and also work it towards the inner corner. I'm going to go back in the hard candy palette and take that color Blaze, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line with the Beauty Treat EO3 brush. So now I'm going to take the Benefit Bowing Brightening Concealer. I'm going to use my brush, I believe it's the BB195 brush, to apply it underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my sponge to get all the excess product underneath my eyes. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. I'm going to spray that all over my face. It's really a nice mist, but please avoid your eye area because it does burn. This product here is from Soap and Glory. It's called Archery. It's an eyebrow pencil. It's in dark brown. I did an early tutorial on that. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free. So I have this cushion foundation from Wet n Wild. And I have 3 shades here. I actually have the blush from Wet n Wild in the cushion, and I love it. So I believe I'm going to go with the, I believe it's called Honey Beige. It's 121A Honey Beige. And it says medium tan with a little dot warm. So I'm going to try that out. And I'm going to go in using my Real Technique stippling brush. And I'm going to put this product by applying stippling motions into my skin. So now I'm going to go in using my Anastasia. It's a contour stick and it's in the color Mink. Can you feel me? Baby, call me dad. As I'm freaking your body, ain't a damn thing changed. To blend out my nose contour, I'm using the BB 195 brush. And to blend out my contour, I'm using the e.l.f. It's the 104 brush. It's the one with the clear handle. What's my name? Ooh. Baby, tell me what you want. To set my contour, I'm going to be applying the Cargo Big Bronzer. It's Big BZ. Going on top of that bronzer, I'm going to use the Milani. It's Bake Bronzer 05 Solace, and I'm using my Beauty Tree F03 brush. So now I'm applying my Lorac Touch Up to Go Concealer Foundation Pan. It's in the color CF8. And give my face a little pop, I'm going in with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer in Medium Honey. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. translucent mattifying powder. I'm going to set my highlight areas. So I'm taking the Butter London Stroke of Wild mascara. I believe it's in black. And I'm going to apply that to my upper lashes. Also by Soap and Glory, I have the eyeliner. It's called Super Cat Skinny. It's in black, and I'm just going to do a simple wing. So I'm going to take the mascara Scuba. It's by The Balm. It's in black, and I'm going to apply it to my lower lashes. So now I'm going to take another product from Soap and Glory. It's Love at First Blush, and it's the color Pink Pop and Pearl. So I'm going to take this gold brush that my nephew purchased a while ago for me. I don't believe it's associated with any makeup line. It has no number on it, no name on it. But I'm going to use that to blend out my blush. This night you won't regret. I'll swear I'll do my best. Now baby, get undressed and you can put me through the test. Because tonight... So I'm going to use this BB Glow highlighting palette to highlight my areas that I want highlighted. I'm going to use the e.l.f. blush brush. I want you to scream. Can you feel me? Baby, call me dad. As I'm freaking your body, ain't a damn thing. So I'm taking the Real Technique brush, the stippling brush that I used earlier. just to dust off all that powder. To set all the makeup, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. It's coconut infused and it smells really good. So now I'm taking my Smashbox Always Sharp. This color is in Plum Roll, just to line my lip. Now I'm taking my Smashbox Lip Gloss, and this color is in Rose Before Bros. Now I'm taking Paris Hilton Diamond Lust Lip Gloss. I don't see a color on it, but I'm going to put it in the middle of my lips. So, this is the finished look. My hair I got from hairsister.com. Mostly my wigs I do get from hairsister.com. I'll put down in the description box below what kind of hair it is. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And hit that little bell so for future videos, recordings I do, you'll be notified. Thank you. Don't forget, no grandma, glamour.